Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Fiverr gig for translation services. This is a great way to showcase your language skills and start earning money by offering translation work to clients worldwide. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account by entering your credentials. This will take you to your Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all your freelance activities. After you're logged in, look at the top menu bar and click on My Business. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From there, select Gigs. This section is where you'll manage all your service offerings on the platform. Now, in the right panel of the Gigs page, you'll see a button that says Create a New Gig. Click on it to start building your translation gig from scratch. This is where you'll define exactly what service you're offering to potential buyers. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your gig title. Make it clear and specific so clients immediately understand what you're offering. Something like, I will translate documents from English to Spanish works perfectly. Next, you'll need to select your category. Click the drop-down menu and choose Writing and Translation. This ensures your gig appears in the right section where people are actively looking for translation services. Right beside that first drop-down menu, you'll see another one for subcategory. Click on it and select Translation. This further narrows down your gig's placement and helps the right clients find you faster. Now comes the gig metadata section, which helps Fiverr understand your specific expertise. Start by selecting your language pair from the available options. This tells clients exactly which languages you work with. After that, select your document type. This could be anything from legal documents to marketing materials, depending on what you specialize in. Choose the option that best matches your skills. Then select your industry expertise. This helps clients who need specialized knowledge in fields like medical, legal, or technical translation find you more easily. Look for the section labeled Search Tags and type relevant keywords into the designated field. These tags are crucial for discoverability, so think about what potential clients might search for. After typing each tag, press Enter to add it. Once you've filled in all these details, click Save and Continue. This moves you forward to the next stage of setting up your gig. From here, you'll need to continue filling out all the required information. This includes setting your pricing tiers, writing a compelling description that explains your service, specifying what requirements you need from buyers, and adding samples to your gallery to showcase your previous work. Take your time with each section because these details directly impact how attractive your gig is to potential clients. The more thorough and professional you are, the better your chances of getting orders. Once you've completed everything and reached the Publish section, you're almost done. Click Publish Gig to make your translation service live on the Fiverr marketplace. And that's it. Your Fiverr translation gig is now published and ready to attract clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.